Yeah, I came in and thought you'd done the dishes.
No, I'm gonna try to fix the sink.
What are you doing? Taking a picture?
Yeah, look at the comparison. Look, it's pouring out like that. The wife's in distress because the hot water's not flowing in the sink in the kitchen. Works fine everywhere else. In the bathrooms, upstairs, it works great. But in the kitchen, hot water's at a trickle. Cold water works just fine. But I can fix this. I got ladders. All kinds of tools. Look at all that. Got more stuff up here too. This is like plumbing stuff right there. And solder. If I got to solder something, I could do that. Got a heavy bag in fixing it. I got a saw if I need to saw something. Got all these nuts and bolts and things.